Welcome to our animated guide on campaign management strategies for nonprofit success. Whether you're in bustling urban centers like London or Tokyo, or in remote communities around the world, if you're ready to run successful campaigns to advance your nonprofit's mission, you're in for an exciting journey. Meet Ava. She's passionate about her nonprofit's mission but needs some guidance on managing campaigns effectively to achieve her organization's goals. Hi there! I'm excited to learn more about campaign management, but I could use some tips and tricks to make it really effective. Fear not, Ava! We've got you covered with some powerful campaign management strategies and online tools that will help you plan, execute, and track your nonprofit's campaigns for success worldwide. Start by setting clear and measurable objectives for your campaigns. Define what you want to achieve, whether it's raising funds, increasing awareness, mobilizing volunteers, or advocating for change. Use online project management tools like Trello, Asana, or Monday.com to keep your objectives organized and on track. Understand your target audience's needs, preferences, and motivations. Segment your audience based on demographics, interests, and behaviors to deliver tailored messages and maximize engagement. Use customer relationship management (CRM) tools like Salesforce, HubSpot, or Zoho CRM to manage and analyze audience data effectively. Create compelling and creative content that captures attention and inspires action. Use storytelling, visuals, and multimedia formats to convey your message and connect with your audience emotionally. Use content creation tools like Canva, Adobe Spark, or Pictochart to design eye-catching graphics and visuals. Reach your audience through multiple channels to maximize your campaign's reach and impact. Utilize a mix of online and offline channels such as social media, email marketing, website, events, and traditional media to engage with supporters. Use marketing automation tools like MailChimp, Hootsuite, or Buffer to schedule and manage your campaign across different channels. Monitor and evaluate your campaign's performance to track progress and make data-driven decisions. Measure key performance indicators, KPIs, such as engagement metrics, donation conversions, and return on investment, ROI. Use analytics tools like Google Analytics, Facebook Insights, or Twitter Analytics to gather insights and optimize your campaign strategy accordingly. By setting clear objectives, knowing your audience, developing compelling content, utilizing a multi-channel approach, and monitoring and evaluating your campaigns, you'll maximize your nonprofit's impact and achieve success worldwide. Ready to take your nonprofit to new heights? Don't wait another moment. Click the links in our bio now for access to valuable courses, a free CRM tool, and exclusive access to socialimpacthub.co, a community of passionate nonprofit leaders just like you.